Camshaft. A camshaft is a rod that rotates and slides against a piece of machinery in order to turn rotational motion into linear motion. Functions of the camshaft. The camshaft is used to convert the rotary motion into reciprocating motion with the help of the cam lobe. The reciprocating motion is transmitted to the valve through the tappet, push rod, and rocker levers. The camshaft is driven by a crankshaft and it rotates at half the speed of the crankshaft. The camshaft also drives the oil pump shaft. Construction of the camshaft. The camshaft is either forged or cast with the cam lobes, one for each valve. The camshaft has a series of support bearings along its length. The cam surface is hardened for longer life. In some engines, the axis of the tappet lifter is slightly offset from the axis of the cam lobe. This offset gives a little rotation to the tappet lifter when it moves up. So the bottom of the tappet lifter wears out uniformly. The lifter tappet rests on the cam lobe. The lifter remains in its position on the base circle. When the cam rotates, the lobe lifts the lifter. Material for camshaft. Forged alloy steel is used in casting a camshaft.